Good afternoon, everyone. Ethan here. So today I'm going to be making a brief video discussing some homemade symbols that I made for this year's Halloween display. And most of you probably recognize what these symbols are almost right away. As soon as you see the thumbnail for the video, you probably know what it's going to be about. Yes. So a big theme in my Halloween display this year is radioactivity, biohazard radiation. That's a big theme, a big attraction with my Halloween display this year. This will probably be one of the first years I have a major theme in my display. A lot of the time, I don't want to say my display has random things in it, but I rarely ever do a major theme in it. I might have a centerpiece display, which is the main focus. That was a big thing I did in 2017 and 2018. However, I'm kind of moving away from a centerpiece theme to having just almost an overall theme or major theme in my display, at least for Halloween of this year. And of course, the blow molds, regular lights, other decorations, that's all going to still be part of it. But this is going to be the radiation theme is going to kind of be the opening credits of my display this year. So this will be along the driveway for the most part and at the top. I don't want to give a whole lot away. I want to save it when it comes time for photos and videos once the display's up and going, which I'll begin in probably about 3-4 weeks. And anyway, so yes, this is a major theme in my display this year. So basically what I did was, you can just find patterns to trace or outline these symbols. You have the radiation symbol in the middle, the electric hazard, electric shock symbol in the right-hand corner, and in the left-hand corner was the biohazard symbol. And then I went to my local hardware store so I could do these little reflectors, and I just painted them up. That one's a mix of green, yellow, and black, and this one's like a lime green one. I think I like the one on the right a little more. But anyway, so this was a very cheap project to do. Maybe altogether, to buy these signs to spray paint and put them on, I did 2 of these. For this particular setup, I mean, with these 2 reflectors, they came in a pack, plus the sign and the paint to do it, maybe comes to $5 in total, if that even. It's very inexpensive to do something like this. If you're looking for a theme for your Halloween display, I think a radioactive, not even really a zombie fallout, but kind of radiation, biohazard, like, it's a neat theme to do. I mean, they've done so many horror movies about it. I mean, it's a common theme in a lot of things nowadays. But anyway, so this is just a quick video on how I made them and why they're part of the display. I think it's definitely going to be a neat theme to have this year. And I already have some plans for Halloween 2020 to really expand on the whole radioactivity biohazard theme. Anyway, that's really it. And if I do any more homemade projects, I'll be sure to get video of it. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.